Okay, let's talk about hormone replacement therapy, especially for women, but also for men. As many of you know, hormones are very important for the body. And in a way, they're kind of like the fountain of youth. They allow us to stay young. And they do this in many processes because they influence a lot of processes in the body. If we talk about skin, for example, estrogen has a very important role. And it prevents wrinkles, it allows the formation of collagen, it reduces elasticity of the skin, and it basically maintains the structure of the skin. And this is just talking about the skin, but the skin is the biggest organ. It has a big impact in all other organs, especially for postmenopausal women, women that are experiencing symptoms related to menopause, hot flashes, decreasing libido, dryness, like all these symptoms, they're going to improve. Also, decreases the chances of osteoporosis and decreasing bone density. And it's actually helpful in certain other situations. And there was a big study in the 90s that alarmed us a lot about how estrogens might increase the chances of certain cancers. This study has been reevaluated and all these data, and we all actually see that it can be protected, especially with cardiovascular conditions. It increases the good cholesterol and it decreases the bad cholesterol, for example. Now, it has to be evaluated on a case-by-case basis, and some patients that might have an increased risk of breast cancer, we need to look closer to see if they're a good candidate or not. Now, if you have any more questions, anything that you would like us to answer, please send us a message or contact us directly and we'll be happy to assist you.